it in there. Okay, see how it's kind of loose?
Yeah.
So then we're going to put it on.
Careful.
Okay, you're alright.
Yeah, I'm not scared.
Okay.
It's okay to be scared, but you are okay.
You did a good job, Kaylee.
And we're going to put it in the hot water. This is hot.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay, it's hot, so give it to Grandma. We're going to put it right there.
Yeah.
You ready to do another one?
Yeah.
It's all loose, huh?
Yeah.
Take the edge. Okay. Show your mom.